assist someone or some of the clients, or remotely you want to connect somewhere for the laptop. So let's say in a remote location you need to uh, assist. For example, your one of your company branches or clients are staying in a different region, let's say, or different country, let's say in US they are, and you want to guide. So at that time, you can ask them to install a Anydesk software. Okay. Actually, some companies have some restrictions for installing Anydesk since hackers could hack their system, something like that. But generally, we can use this one or any other. The scenario is same, right? The usage is same for any other software even. There are many softwares. I'm just demonstrating for Anydesk. So if you try how to install Anydesk in your Windows, you can have some idea. So with Anydesk, there is an option called unattended access. Okay, so what I used to do when I'm working back in days, like it's like I just want my client to install Anydesk in a laptop and connect it to the network switch. Okay, so from that Anydesk, I will connect my laptop from another country, and my laptop and their laptop is connected now. But the client couldn't stand, like, let's say today I will be working on it, and tomorrow again I might need to work on it. But the client or the technician on that uh, country is not available on that day, or something like that. In that case, he can leave the laptop in Anydesk unattended access, right? There's an option. So if they click on that one, unattended access, so every time whenever I need access to that laptop, I don't need to communicate with them. Okay, they just keep the laptop without signing out, and the Anydesk session will be there. If I whenever I want, I can just click on it and I can access from that Anydesk. I can reach the network switch. Okay, so I'm not sure you are getting the point which I'm pointing out. So it's fine. Anyways, you just need to check how to install Anydesk in Windows 10 and or anything whichever laptop you are using, and then try how to test, so how to set Anydesk in unattended access. Okay, so it shows you need to set a password or anything, and even without that, you can try these things. Okay. Set up Anydesk for remote work in 3 simple steps. Okay. It would be helpful if you just go through these videos and all. So it's a easy method. So whenever I wanted, I don't need to bother my client or that branch technician to reach the site and connect the laptop and all. He'll just connect the laptop once and he'll just leave the laptop without signing out, like never sign out option generally, like example. Here you can see sign lock screen options are there. You can keep it like never sign out or something. And then the Anydesk session, he need to keep it in unattended access. Okay. So just like this. If you search it, you can figure it out. So I know I'm not showing the exact things or steps what you should do for the putty installation or any that. But the reason is like I don't want to show each and everything which is already available in your fingertips, right? You just need to log into a phone or some laptop or whatever it is. You just need to Google through it. That's all. So if you try, I'm just pointing out what you need to search. That's the thing. Re-download and install, and what you need to look for it, and any less for unattended access. If I didn't point it out, you might miss that one. You might reach up to the level like Anydesk. Okay, we just need to install and connect. And in practical scenario, every time whenever you want to connect to a client branch, you might need, you might be calling them, and each and every time you might be asking them to go to the site and connect. Okay, so these are the general ideas. Whenever in on job when I'm using, I'm just sharing it with you. Okay, so what else? Putty and Anydesk, and there are few other softwares as well. For monitoring, we'll be using SolarWinds network monitoring software, and for wireless connections, we will be having WSC and all. So not only Anydesk, you can have Teams sessions, and you can Google that as well. If you try like remote management software or tools, you can find out Anydesk, remote PC, TeamViewer, go to, and there's a lot of things. Okay, just carefully use these ones. Let's say if you keep a network switch connected with another laptop where Anydesk installed, and the client will not be aware of it, or since you gave them you request them to keep it in unattended, they won't be bothering about that laptop or whatever it is afterwards, right? And even when you are not using it, if some other people could have access to that laptop, they might work on it. Okay, so just be careful when you are using it. You'll just have a look where whenever it's signed out or whatever happening, you just need to know. Okay, go to assist, and a lot of things are there. You can just have a look. So in the next class, we'll be having some basic command ideas. Okay, so you will have an idea like before you configure a stack or something, you just need to know the switch operational modes, and how you apply commands, and basic practices you just need. So for those, I'll just use some basic commands and give you a simple idea about it. And also, I will provide some troubleshooting or verification commands. For example, show interface status, where it's used, what are we using, and all. I'll just give you idea so that you can search on those commands and you can figure out more on it. Okay.